Let's get this straight. Most creative professionals out there will be satisfied with any of the flagship DSLR cameras in the market. But for the quality-fixated guy out there, medium format cameras are the way to go. These are the best three in the market. The third-placed Hasselblad X1D50c is the world's first mirrorless medium format camera. It takes the extremely popular 50MP sensor and incorporates it into a revolutionary mirrorless camera body. Hasselblad's amazing electronic system is capable of capturing clean images within a range of ISO 100 to 200 and to 25,600, while also being able to capture photos at a rate of up to 2.3 FPS. The XID makes use of the Hasselblad central lens shutter, allowing shutter speeds as long as 60 minutes or as short as 1/2000 seconds, with the ability to have flash sync all along. It uses a 2.36 MP XGA electronic viewfinder that permits natural eye-level monitoring. There is also a 3.0 920K touchscreen LCD in the rear that permits intuitive operation of all the camera's features and settings. To find out more about these products, take a look at the video description below. Second place goes to the GFX 50S from Fujifilm. At its heart, it uses the 43.8 by 32.9mm 51.4 MP CMOS sensor and the X Processor Pro image processor to produce files with extremely wide dynamic ranges and high resolution, as well as a range of ISO 50 to 102,400. The large sensor also achieves a unique three-dimensional look with especially smooth tone and color transitions. The sensor and processor combination also has the ability to work in a variety of aspect ratios, as well as the ability to shoot at up to 3 FPS or record Full HD 1080p over 30 video. The removable 3.69 dot OLED electronic viewfinder can be used for high-resolution eye-level viewing. The rear 3.2-inch 2.36 dot touchscreen LCD can tilt in 3 ways to support working from high and low angles, even when shooting in the vertical orientation. The best medium format camera in the business is the Pentax 645Z. It features a 51.4MP 43.8 by 32.8mm CMOS sensor designed without a filter to maximize sharpness and details. It supports 14-bit RAW files and the ability to save it in either PEF or DNG, using an ISO range of 100 to 204, 100 to 204, 800, and high SN ratio provides low noise photos, and the Prime 3 image processor allows a maximum of 3 FPS continuous shooting. The SA-FOX2 autofocus module utilizes 27 autofocus points, including 25 cross-type sensors and 3 AF sensors dedicated for low-light focusing. The new real-time scene analysis system features an 86,000 pixel RGB light metering sensor for enhanced accuracy of exposure, white balance, and autofocusing Full HD 1080 60i 30p 24p video capture is supported in the H.264 format with a dedicated button for instant switchover from stills to video. If you're looking for a medium format camera and this video was helpful, then hit like, sound off in the comments if you think we can improve.